Hop here. Thanks for tuning in. I've got some important information on how to get started in cryptocurrency. The reason why I'm doing this video, I committed a suicide. I'm just kind of assuming that more and more people know more than they know, right? I've been studying this for like 6+ years now, and I've had more conversations on how to get started. What do I do? Well, this is, all these questions about I don't know anything, right? So in this video today, we're going to cover how to open a Coinbase account, number one. Number two, how to look at CoinMarketCap. It's the list of the cryptocurrencies. And then number three, what are the top 5 tokens to get started with? Lastly, we're going to take a macro look at the cryptocurrency market. And I'm going to show you a quick video with Crypto Casey. Check it out. How to start a Coinbase account. All you do, ladies and gentlemen, is you go up here to coinbase.com, which is right here. Okay, so you can see there at the top, it says coinbase.com. Right there, coinbase.com. This is what it looks like when I open it up. I signed out. So I just want to show you this screen should look similar to this. Okay, now all you do is you go over here, you click sign up. Okay, and follow the prompts. Okay, now when you sign up, you either choose personal or for business or institutional. Okay, it's going to be personal. Click personal. Okay, I'm not going to go all the way through this. You enter your email address, click continue, and then what you do is you connect a bank account. Now, don't get worried because there's a third-party company, what's it called? Plaid will come up. Just click yes. And what it does is it connects a bank account. Now, go on to coinmarketcap.com. That is this site, okay, and it looks something like this right here. So look at the top here. You can see the address coinmarketcap.com. Make sure it looks like that. It might be white because I have the dark interface up on there. Now, here's an important thing that I had missed talking about this on my last video where I was showing some of this. You have to scroll down a little bit. Scroll down, scroll down. Now look at this right below me here. Bitcoin. Bitcoin comes up. It shows the price, the 1 hour percent, 24-hour percent, and so on. Okay, the market cap is an important thing to look at. Bitcoin has the highest market cap, about $2.1 trillion. The next one's Ethereum with 540 billion. Okay, and then it goes down. What you're going to do is take whatever amount of money you can, $100, doesn't matter, $500, whatever the amount is, you're going to cut it into pieces. Let's say you have $500 to mess with. So most of your, let's say more than 50%, we're going to buy some Bitcoin. It's a nice time to buy right now because we're on weakness. The price dropped down. It's really nice to buy on weakness when the weekly percent is down. Number two, second amount of money. Let's say you put $250 out of that 500 into Bitcoin. The next one, you're going to buy some Ethereum. Okay, now from here, those are the top 2 cryptocurrency coins in the world. So you buy those 2 and then scroll down a little bit. Tether's a stable coin, so it works differently. It's not you can get yield off it, but it's used USDT. It's used to transfer and move cryptocurrencies. The next one, I like XRP. I'm actually heavy on XRP. And then lastly, BNB or Solana. Full disclosure, I hold Solana and XRP. I think I did throw like $100 at BNB or something like that. So most of your money should be in Bitcoin. Secondly, in Ethereum, and then pick one of these 2, either XRP, one of these 3, BNB or Solana. Okay, so and then if you have like $50 left over, a small, scroll down further. See here on the left, it's telling you what number market cap position these are on the left hand side. Scroll down a little more, okay, and it's like gambling. Okay, it's the casino. I got some Dogecoin. You just put a little money in there. I should. Chainlink's coming up big, actually. I got some SWI. It's not pronounced SUI, by the way. It's SWI. I figured that out. That's why I say that. Ooh, XLM is connected to XRP. That's a big one. I've got a good holding of Stellar. Okay, scroll down, and so you go down here and see these are the smaller market caps. It just goes down on this column. The further you scroll down, I do have some Shibu in it. Look at the price of this thing. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and a 1, 2, 3. I mean, it's that's what caught my attention. I do have a few $100 in there. It's just shit. I probably got like 1,000 on that. DAI is a stable coin. Okay, so go down and just, Pepe, blah, blah, blah. Don't go past 50. I wouldn't go past 50 on here. You could go up to 100 as far as the market cap, but then it's risky. It's risky down here. Okay. All we're doing on this bull run is we're trying to put a little bit of money in one of these and sell. Okay. That's the objective on this thing. So with that said, that's CoinMarketCap. All right. Make sure you scroll down. People get confused. They go to CoinMarketCap and see all these numbers and they're like, it's hard to blah, blah. I don't know where to look. I don't know where to look. Scroll down. And then here are the tokens underneath there, just to reiterate that. Okay, next. We talked about the top 5. Okay, now let's take a macro look at the cryptocurrency market. Now I want to show you, here's Crypto Casey. Listen in. She is an amazing. The reason why I like her is because she messed up in 2017. She had like $10,000 in the cryptocurrency market, and she watched her portfolio go up to like $300,000, and she didn't take any profits. And she sat here and watched within like a day or two, her portfolio dropped off the table and dumped down to below $100,000. And she only ended up pulling like, she could have had hundreds of thousands of dollars. And she talks about this story. She only took like 10 grand. Could have had 300,000. So she was in a depressed mode when that crypto winter hit, but she stayed resilient and she just sat there and stuck with it and learned and learned and learned. Now she's, I believe, a crypto millionaire that has weathered this storm through 3 bull markets now. Okay, check out what she has to say here.
Some of them are blatant about it, like meme coins. Others try to spin a narrative to create hype. At the end of the day, crypto is a zero-sum game. When someone wins, someone else loses. It's the harsh reality of playing in the crypto casino. So as we've discussed, the money is flowing from Bitcoin to Ethereum and starting to flow into large cap coins like Solana. Following the trend, money will continue to flow into other large cap coins, then medium coins, and then small cap coins before the bull trend flips bearish and everything comes crashing down for the most part. Now listen carefully. Yes, we are currently in a bullish trend. We are in a bull cycle. However, that does not mean we will not experience 10%, 20%, 40%, or more pullbacks along the way. Taking a look at the Bitcoin price chart, last bull run in 2020, 2021, when Bitcoin was in a bullish trend on the weekly from about April 2020 until November 2020.
Now look at this chart. Look at this. This was 2020 down here. Look what happened after this third phase of the cryptocurrency cycle hit. That's where we're at right now. Listen up.
We saw the price of Bitcoin fluctuate wildly, going from 37,000 down to 32,000, from 57,000 all the way down to 44,000, from 60,000 down a whopping 50% to $30,000.
Can you imagine that? After it more than doubled, it dropped off the table half. Oh, sorry, yeah, to 30%. It was 60 something up here, down to 30%. So we've got to take note of this. We've got to take note of how these things swing like this.
Which did trigger a bearish fake out before rocketing up to the cycle top of around $67,000 before officially flipping into a bearish trend and crashing down to $15,000. Yeah.
Can you imagine that? That sucker went from 60,000, 67,000 up here and just crashed. That happens every single cycle, ladies and gentlemen. That's what I'm trying to get out here. So just know that don't get greedy. If we got to take profits somewhere along the way, we are on this phase 3 ready to kick up. Once the rates drop in September, it's going to kick off the phase 4 banana zone that Raul Pell talks about. Okay.
Flipping into a bearish trend and crashing down to $15,000.
Right.
Yeah, ouch, super crazy. And altcoins behaved similarly with even more substantial percentage increases and decreases. So this is the reality of a crypto bull cycle.
About 30 more seconds on this.
This is how altcoin season will play out. It will be a wild ride with lots of exciting upward price movement and lots of extremely painful and scary downward price movement. Just remember the name of the game. follow the trend. So long as we are in a bull market, stay bullish. And remember how to beat the game. Take profits along the way. That is the whole point of buying altcoins, to sell them later in the cycle at a higher price. And what we do with that profit is up to us. Parlay into a long-term Bitcoin strategy, diversify into other investments, pay off high-interest debt, maybe go on a nice vacation or something.
Whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do, that's the name of the game here, folks. So, hey, I just wanted to show you that. And so, please, in the comments, if you have any questions, like I said, I bought the top in 2021 and I didn't understand. It was messed up, dude. I put all my eggs in this DeFi project that I don't even want to talk about. I bought it at like 3 cents, and then boom, I saw it go to 5 cents, so I bought some more. Then I saw it go to 14 cents. I bought some more. Then it shot up to 20 cents, and I'm like, man, this is easy. My portfolio was just pumping. And then lo and behold, holy Toledo, there was an airdrop. It was kind of a marketing play, and boom, it shot down, and it went below a penny since 2021, and that's where it's at. So I learned the hard way. You don't put a lot of money in these riskier, smaller market cap projects. Don't do it. Start with those top 5 that I showed you: the Bitcoin, the Ethereum, the XRP, the Solana, BNB, and stay with that. And then for exciting adventure, if you want to learn, we roll the dice, we gamble on some of those lower down ones. So hope that helped out. That's the bottom line of this thing. Oh yeah, just the Hydroh bottle, by the way, quick look, I'm not trying to be a salesman or anything like that, but I bought one of these. I'm not joking. When I start getting hyped up and stressed out, I've been going to this Hydroh bottle. Look, it puts little bubbles. I just push the button. I don't know if you can see the little, it's actually hydrogen gas that it puts out there. If you're interested in wanting to pick one of these up, I liked it myself and tested this out, so I applied to become an affiliate. So I got an affiliate link. I get like $5 if you click that link and buy one of them from that link. So anyway, I don't care, but I just wanted to share this because it's has helped me. There's 1,400 studies out there that the science is on that site. When you click the link, if you're interested, if you're a science person, if you're a chemist or anything like that, there's a lot of naysayers out there, but if you start looking at the studies that have been done, it helps reduce inflation, not inflation, inflammation, and the parasympathetic nervous system, it helps it calm down when there's more hydrogen in there. If you get excess hydrogen, it stops in the lung tissue and you just breathe it out. Like there is no negative effects of this thing. So I wanted to mention that to you guys. Hey, thanks for checking this out. If you want to get started in the cryptocurrency market, follow those 4 steps that I put out there, and it's going to be safe. Okay. We are at that 4 phase. So now is the time. It's going to go up. You're going to take a little bit of profits as you get profitable, and then hopefully take out what you put in. That's the whole goal, and let it sit for another couple of years and see what happens. That's how dreams are made, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for checking in. Crypto Hop signing off. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday or day, whatever day it is. I know this video is going to be out here for a while, so whatever day it is, enjoy it. Get some sunshine, have some adventure out there, and be safe. All right, everybody, thanks for checking in. Signing off. Have a good one. Thanks for giving me a thumbs up and subscribe. All right, I appreciate that.